video. Welcome to this video, and this video we are going to share the 10 signs and symptoms of diabetes. One is frequent urination. A person with diabetes will always at most times have frequent urination more than normal. So once you urinate more than normal, you must have a check of diabetes so that we can avoid the complications which come in with loss of vision. And the second one is that hunger all the time. That's the second one. One, you're having high blood sugar. The sugars or the glucose is just retained in the blood vessel. So the tissues will always cry out in the form of hunger, and you keep eating, but the body tissues do not get what really it needs. So a person will always feel hungry so oftenly. Then the third one is bloating, where you start hearing the stomach making noise and so on. And this is because high blood sugar will also damage the nerves, and there is a nerve that is responsible of the flow of food in the digestive system, and that nerve is called the vagus nerve. So you realize that when you're having diabetes, this nerve gets impaired, and there is less flow of food within the digestive system, and the person ends up having what you call bloating. And then another one is what we call impotence. Because of the blood flow to tissues through the blood, through the blood vessels, you realize that sugars, when they are deposited, there's high blood sugar in the blood vessels. You realize that there is less flow, the viscosity, the less flow of blood in the blood vessels gets deteriorated, and this will affect the erection and maintaining the erection time, and this causes what you call impotence. Then thirsty. A patient always, when you have diabetes, when you're a suspect of diabetes, you will have a lot of thirsty. Most of the time, you feel like taking a lot of water as more than required. Then also the numbness in the feet. You say that high blood sugar destroys the nerves, and these nerves, when you are stepping, moving, you realize that it affects these nerves, and you cannot be able to move well, and you'll start feeling a lot of numbness in the feet. Then also there is delayed wound healing. When a person has got a cut, has got an injury, you realize that it will take longer than normal, the time of healing. So that also can signify to signify to diabetes. When you're having diabetes, you are most likely going to have. Then also, of course, we have blurry vision. A person cannot be able to see well because of high blood sugars, and this we shall keep sharing more as we keep moving. Then also, a person will feel a lot of fatigue. We say that the tissues are not getting enough food, therefore, you realize that the person will be affected and cannot be able to move a longer distance or do some work strenuously for a certain period of time because of diabetes. Then lastly, there is loss of weight, blood and any sugar in the blood, and yet tissues are not getting. So you realize that this person can get to shrink or reduce in size. So those are the 10 signs of those are the 10 signs and symptoms of diabetes. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.